Today we learn how to protect our site from robots or hackers. If you Google AdSense doesn't like robot, so we will learn how to protect your site from robot, and you get robot. Google will not approve your site, or when you have ads running, Google will terminate the robot. So here, the security, the plugin that we install, it is called all-in-one security or all-in-one WP security. So this is the plugin, all-in-one security or all-in-one WP security. This is the plugin. When you haven't installed the plugin, it will be like this. When you click, you install and activate. Here I have installed and activated. That's why it has faded here. So when you install and activated, you then move here. This is the plugin WP security. You come to settings, you click on settings, you click on settings. You click on settings. It's loading. I have low internet at my side or at my end. You click on settings to load. It's loading now. It's loading now. You then come here, WP version. You click. When you click it, this one will be off or be off like this, and you take or you enable it or you on it, and you click save settings, and you click save settings. It has successfully saved. So this is the setting has been successfully saved or update. You click security user. And you click. You come here. Yeah, no, come here. Username or WP username. Don't touch anything. You come here. Force login. Force login. Force login. Force login. Here my network is slow. At my end, the network is too slow. Yes. So when I come to force login, this one will be off like this, and you on it or you take it and you click save changes, and it will automatically save, or it will save successfully. Yes, this is it. It has saved. And you come here, firewalls. Yes, firewalls. You do some settings here. All this thing will be off like this. But first, before you come here, when you come to firewalls, first thing where you go is you come here, internet bot. So here, internet bot. Yeah, this one will be off. This one will be off. So fake Google bot. block fake Google bot. So when you go to firewalls, when you go to firewalls, this is the firewall. When you go to firewall, then come here, internet bot. So when you go to internet, this is how it will be. See, block fake internet bot. So if someone somewhere sent you fake or sent you robot to your site, this plugin will block the robot. So it will block the robot from your site. So this site protects your site from robot. So you enable it or you take it, and you come here and you take this one and you save it. You save it. Here you come here, you come to basic firewall. Sometimes when you come, this one will be on automatically like this. When you come, it is not on, it is off like this. You then on it. You then on or don't leave one. You then on or then you save it. And you finish saving, you move to brute force. Here, the brute force, my advice for you is, when you get to brute force, my advice here is, if you are somewhere, you use your phone to log in to your dashboard, don't touch anything here. Don't touch the brute force. Don't touch. If you are someone using your phone to log in, or you use your phone to log in sometimes, don't touch, leave it. But if you don't use your phone to log in, always using your laptop or your computer to log in, then I'll advise you to touch here. Yeah, website name plus wp-admin, and you enable this one and you save. Hear me, I use my phone and my laptop, that's why I didn't touch anything. I'll then off it. I didn't touch anything. And if you touch it, it means you can't use your phone to log in, or your PC or your computer that you can use to log in. When you touch it, only your PC that you can use to log in. And you come here, protect or spam prevention. Spam prevention. You then come here, and to be off like this, and on it. I have already installed, that's why it is on. So it will be off and you on it, and you click save settings. Yes guys, this is how you can protect your site from robots using all-in-one WP security or all-in-one security plugin. All-in-one WP security plugin to protect your site. Guys, subscribe to my channel for more education or for more info. Thank you.